equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. Start by powering off your Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 and disconnecting it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, remove the back panel. Use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screws located at the back. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to damage any clips as you work your way around the edges. With the back panel removed, locate the battery connector. Disconnect the battery to prevent any electrical issues while you work. Now, focus on the screen assembly. You will see several screws holding the screen in place. Carefully unscrew these and set them aside. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the screen from hinges. Be cautious as there may be cables attached to the screen. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, disconnect the cables attached to the screen. Use your tweezers to carefully pull the connectors apart. Once disconnected, you can fully remove the old screen. Take a moment to clean the internal components with a soft cloth to remove any dust or debris. This will help ensure optimal performance for your new screen. Next, take your new screen and align it with the hinges. Reconnect the cables, ensuring they are securely attached. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. Once the new screen is in place, screw it back into the hinges. Make sure all screws are tightened properly to avoid any future issues. Reconnect the battery and replace the back panel. Secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Finally, power on your Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 to test the new screen. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the screen. If you encounter any problems, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We are here to help with no calls, no travel, making it easier for you to get your device back in working order. And that's it. You've completed the screen replacement process. Enjoy your newly repaired Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.